Hi children, this is Deepika Baskar from G.k.Jain schools. Today I am going to take class for 4th standard, subject science, and the lesson name is food. Before going to the session, please subscribe our YouTube channel G.k.Jain schools so that you never miss any new updates from our school. Okay children, shall we move on to the topic? Food. Food is the basic needs for our life. Where do we get food? We are getting food from plants and animals. So for doing any activity, we need energy, isn't it? So without energy, we can't do anything. So I'm going to write anything. I'm going to walk, playing, eating, for everything. For all the activity, we need energy. Food is the main source of energy. Today we are going to learn about the differentiate between raw and cooked food. Okay, and different methods of cooking. So many kinds of methods we can see in today. Different types of cooking utensils. In this we are going to see about the clay pots. Fourth one is hygienic food and food to be consumed while illness. Importance of not wasting the food. So in these topics only today we are going to learn about. Students, food is obtained from the nature. It provides all the nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamin to our body. Okay, now we are going to see the classification of the plants and animals, the food which we are getting from the plants and the animals. Okay, children, now we are going to write the names of the plants and the food which we are getting from the animals. Okay, I already given the food items here. Now we are going to classify the things. Okay, shall we start writing children? The first one, carrot. Carrot is a vegetable we are getting from the plant, isn't it? So we have to write it in the plant column. Okay, write carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Next we are going to see about the egg. We are getting eggs from the plants or animals? Yes, from the hen only we are getting the eggs, isn't it? So that is we are getting from the animals. E-G-G, egg. The next one, coconut oil. We are getting coconut oil from the plants because from the coconut only the oil is taken, so that is a plant. We are getting from the plants. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut, oil, O-I-L, oil. So the next one is milk. Milk is a very healthy food thing and we are getting from the animals. We are getting from cow, goat, sheep, food from animal. M-I-L-K. It is rich in calcium. Next one is radish. Radish is also getting from the plants. R-A, it is a vegetable. Okay, so that we are getting from the plant. The next one is the potato. Potato is also a plant. That is also a vegetable. Again, brinjal. That is also a vegetable. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Okay. The next one is curd. Curd, we all know that. Milk, curd, buttermilk, butter, ghee, cheese and paneer are the dairy products. Dairy products mean they are getting from the milk. So, curd is a food thing which we are getting from the animal. Okay. From the milk only we are getting the curd. So, that is a food from animals. Lady's finger. So that is also a vegetable. Ladys. Lady's finger. It is green in color. That is a vegetable. Fish is also belongs to the animal family. So we can write it as a fish as an animal box. So now you can understand what are the food which we are getting from the plants and the food we are getting from the animals. So now we are going to learn about raw food and the cooked food. Okay children, the food is classified into two types. One is raw food and another one is cooked food. Raw food means uncooked food. That is the food without cooking. We can take the food as directly. Okay, that foods are called as raw food. For example, I'll tell you for the raw foods, vegetables. Not all the vegetables. We can cook some vegetables. But some vegetables we can take it as a raw food. For example, carrot, cucumber, some tubers and nuts are all comes under raw food. I tell you some food items for the raw foods. These are the examples for the raw food. That means without cooking we can eat as a directly. Okay. So first one is carrot, cucumber, onion, tomato. These are belongs to the vegetable. Now I am going to tell you the fruits. All the fruits are, we can take it as a raw food. Okay. Some tubers like sweet potato are all tubers, and some cereals, pulses and nuts, they can take it as a raw food. Students, we are all attracted by the junk foods, by seeing the advertisement, okay, but they are not healthy to us. So better taking off these kind of vegetables and fruits, okay. So now you can understand the meaning of raw food, isn't it? And what are all raw food we saw. So students, I'll explain you how to make the fruit salad. Okay, you take some varieties of fruits, just wash with the water and cut it into a small pieces with your parent guidance, and add all the fruits in the bowl. Add with honey and mixed all together. Now you can take the fruit salad. Try it at your home children. Now we are going to see about the cooked food. All the food we cannot eat as a raw form. For example, I tell you, without cooking we can't take the meat. We can't eat the meat, isn't it? So some food items processed by using heat, that foods are called as cooked food. For example, milk. Without boiling the milk, we can't take it as a food, isn't it? So meat, fish, these are all example for the cooked food. I'll tell you why we have to cook the food. Cooked foods are undergoing the process by heating, isn't it? So that's why it is digested easily in our stomach. Then it softens the food items. When it will be harder as a vegetable like a carrot, but while cooking these are all get softer. The next one is it kills germs. It will kills all the microbes like virus, bacteria and fungus. So no microorganism which can be present after cooking. It adds taste and flavor to the food. Good aroma and flavor we can get from the cooking. Students, I'll show you some examples for cooked food. Rice, dal, meat, Children, now I am going to write the names of 3 raw food and 3 cooked food. Shall we write, children? Raw food. Cucumber. Fruits. And nuts. For cooked foods, dal, rice, fish. So these 3 things which cannot eaten by raw. These can be eaten by raw. Okay, children, today we saw about food, what is mean by food, and what is raw food and cooked food. In the next class, we will see about the different methods of cooking. Thank you, children.